Speed up your English thought process, practical tips and exercises. Ever feel frustrated because your mind takes too long to form thoughts in English? You're not alone. But what if I told you that with the right strategies, you can train your brain to think faster in English? Stay tuned, because in today's video, we're going to reveal powerful tips and exercises to help you speed up your English thought process. If you've ever found yourself pausing, hesitating, or translating thoughts from your native language to English, this video is for you. Today, we're going to explore effective methods, supported by research and language experts, that will help you think in English quickly and effortlessly. Let's jump right in. Why it's important to speed up your thought process in English. Thinking quickly in English is a crucial step toward fluency. It means you're able to form sentences, express ideas, and react without mentally translating each word. This not only makes your speech sound more natural but also boosts your confidence. According to experts, training your brain to bypass your native language helps you achieve true immersion and fluency. While browsing language learning platforms, I found an interesting study from the Journal of Linguistic Learning that highlighted how regular, short bursts of practice such as speaking or writing for 5 minutes daily can significantly increase your brain's speed in processing a second language. One practice rapid response drill: set a timer for 1 minute and pick a random topic, such as my favorite food or a recent movie I watched. Speak continuously in English without pausing. This drill forces your brain to think quickly and adapt on the spot. Don't worry if you make mistakes, the key is to keep going. To engage in timed writing sessions. Timed writing is when you write non-stop for a set period, say 3 to 5 minutes, on any topic in English. This helps train your brain to form and connect thoughts faster. New advice from educators emphasizes that this method builds both speed and fluency in forming sentences. Pro tip: there are online tools that give you random writing prompts to keep your practice fresh and challenging. Prompts like "describe your perfect day" or "talk about a funny memory" push you to think creatively and respond faster. 3. Shadow native speakers. Shadowing is when you listen to native English speakers and repeat what they say as quickly as possible. This helps you mimic natural speech patterns and quicken your response time. To start, pick an English podcast or YouTube video and repeat sentences in real time. This exercise not only helps with speaking but also sharpens your listening skills. Echo speaking. While researching, I came across echo speaking, a practice similar to shadowing but with a delay. After listening to a sentence, you wait a second or two before repeating it. This slight pause forces your brain to recall and react quickly, training it to think on its own. 4. Use flashcards for situational responses. Prepare flashcards with different scenarios on one side, like ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions, and your quick English response on the other side. Reviewing these cards daily helps your brain associate situations with immediate responses. Tip from experts: chunk learning. Breaking phrases into chunks, such as "can I get?" or "would you mind if," helps your brain process and recall them faster in conversation. According to linguists, learning language in chunks allows you to think and speak faster because you're using pre-learned phrases. 5. Practice thinking in English throughout the day. One of the best ways to speed up your thought process is to narrate your day in English, either out loud or in your mind. When brushing your teeth, think, "I am brushing my teeth now," or when eating, think, "This meal tastes amazing." This constant internal dialogue strengthens your ability to think directly in English. Thought journaling. An online article I found suggests using thought journaling to build speed. Write down your thoughts as quickly as they come to you, without worrying about grammar or perfection. This helps create a habit of thinking and expressing yourself in English without overthinking. Engage with English media for quick thinking. Watch English shows, YouTube videos, or listen to podcasts at normal or slightly faster speeds. Try to predict what the speaker will say next or answer questions posed in the media as fast as possible. This helps train your brain to think quickly and understand English without needing to slow down or translate. Conclusion: improving the speed of your English thought process takes regular practice, but with the techniques we discussed such as rapid response drills, shadowing, timed writing, and thought journaling, you'll start noticing progress. Remember, the more you challenge your brain to think in English without translating, the more natural and fluent your reactions will become. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to English Masters for more insights. And don't forget to check out my next video on real-time thinking exercises to train your brain even further. Until then, keep practicing and keep mastering your English.